What's up, Goddess Gang? Today we are back with another video, and today we're gonna be finally using our you guys, I thought I was doing a different video than the one that I'm doing. Okay, hold on. Holo. Okay, we're finally doing our Born Pretty, the new Born Pretty gel polishes. So the pink that we got and the green that we got, the little the Aurora powder in the liquid form, which was freaking awesome. And I did do a little experiment to see if I layered it on more than once, if it would be more visible, and it definitely was way more visible. So you guys will see that. But for now, I'm gonna go ahead and roll the intro and then we'll get into the video. Alright, you guys, so here we are. I have my little press-ons on or whatever. Yeah, they are polar opposites, so don't judge me. I even wore pink bracelets on one wrist and then black bracelets on the other wrist to match the nails. So anyways, here's the colors that we're going in with from Born Pretty. We have like a lighter green, a super lime green that's like kind of a little darker, maybe like more like a money green, and then we have a super pretty pink. It's like in between. I guess you could kind of say that it is like a baby pink. And then we have the Unichrome. We have Rosalind, the Gold Glitter by Rosalind. And then we have the Top Coat by Born Pretty, which I do like the Top Coat by Born Pretty. It is super thin. It is the most liquid top coat I have ever used. However, it's not like I don't really know how to explain it, but it's super good. Like, I don't really know how to explain it. It's very thin. It doesn't add bulk to the nail. I love that about it, but also it doesn't really droop all over the place even though it is thin. So yeah, you can add a generous layer and then it'll cure. It'll still be like minimalistic, not adding a lot of extra bulk. So it's not a top coat that you would want to use, for example, if you wanted to like build up or anything. But nevertheless, we're going here, or like to add strength, which usually you would use base coat for that. But nevertheless, we're going in. I'm doing French tips for you guys. So I was looking at this color and I was like, I really like this color. I like it a lot. And I thought of doing like watermelon nails. So we ended up doing some watermelon nails. And I have actually never seen this design. If you guys have seen someone do this, like literally the same design that I'm doing, please let me know, because I would be interested in seeing if there's any great minds that think like mine, because this is like so simple. So you know how watermelons kind of like, they have a pattern but they kind of don't. I was acting a little lazy, so part of me wanted to take out my blooming gel and kind of do like more or less like a croc design, because that kind of looks like a watermelon. And then I was like, no, I don't know if I want to do that. So, and part of me wanted like a super realistic watermelon look, right? But then another part of me was like, well, this is supposed to be super easy, super beginner friendly. You know, like this is something that hopefully anybody can recreate with ease. So I decided to just go ahead and kind of do like a little bit of a marble. So when I get to that part, by the way, for this, I ended up adding 3 layers. If you want to avoid, oh, the batteries are done charging. If you want to avoid having to add so many layers, I would just go ahead and I should have added a base layer of white to all the nails, and then I would have been able to have like or like a natural nude, not so much nude because like then you got to mix your yellows and your blues and your reds and all, more like a off white, like a super off white, like a natural color, right? Put that instead of having the clear tip, and then you wouldn't have to add 3 layers, but I just added 3 layers. Otherwise you would probably only need to add 1, perhaps 2 for a fully opaque coverage. And then we're gonna go in around with the rest of the nail on the rest of the nail with this color, which again, if I would have had the white in the back, then I would have only had to do about one layer. But what I did was, so I laid this layer down and cured it. I don't really think I showed it properly in the video, that's why I'm actually telling you guys. But I laid this layer down, cured it, and then after that I laid another layer over that to give it the fully opaque coverage. But instead of curing it, I went in with my Madam Glam Ultra Nail Art Liner brush, or Ultra Liner, as you guys can see. And then I kind of just marbled it in there while that polish was still wet. And this worked out very well. It was super good. These are probably the best Frenchies I've ever done. They're the most precise and the most uniform Frenchies. I used my brush to measure, not on this set, but on a previous Frenchie set that I did. I used my brush to measure like how far it should be from the bottom of the nail, how deep the Frenchie should be, or whatever. And so that gave me a lot of confidence. And I think when I did that and I had built my confidence up, then for this set, I really was just like, you got this, girl, you can do it. So that's what I did. Oh, whatever. So how's your guys' day today? My day's going well. It's going swell. It's going well and swell. We about to go to hockey in a little bit, which I'm super excited. It's already 4 o'clock. I have to get this video put together for you guys and hopefully export it in time, upload it tonight. I got a lot of marketing that I got to do. You know, I just, a little venting moment. I kind of like wear like a million different hats. By the way, how do you guys like my little jewels on my hair? Oh my gosh, I can't wait for. And back here I have a bow. Hold on, wait, let me show y'all. Can y'all see it? I don't know if y'all saw it, but anyways, so like I just imagine like I wear like so many different hats, because I will go and I'll film and I'll get that under control. Okay, listen. First I gotta stock everything, right? I gotta shop for everything online, stock it up, which means I gotta buy the money, I gotta spend the time shopping, I gotta stock it all up. That means I gotta unbox it and stuff like that. And then you would think that you would go ahead and follow the unboxings up with reviews. Well, I'm supposed to. Then after that, you have to create the nail looks, you have to film the designs, you have to take the pictures of them, you have to take multiple angles of videos of them, like multiple scapes, you feel me, like landscape, oh my god, and portrait and all that. Oh my gosh, it is so much. So like I'll do good on YouTube, and then I'll be like, oh my goodness, I haven't been on Instagram, like I'm so behind on Instagram. Or like I'll be doing good on Instagram and on YouTube, and then I'll be like, oh my gosh, I'm so behind on my emails, I'm so behind on my comments, you know, like it's just, I'm so behind on more designs, more filming. Or like sometimes I'll be like, man, I'm gonna film like crazy, and I'll film like crazy, and then my laptop won't even have any space for everything. I'll be like, oh my gosh. But my gosh, by the way. But I was really excited when my boyfriend told me, like, I really can't wait to just go to the store and just give you the money to go in and buy your laptop. I'm like, I was so excited. I can't wait. There is no better investment than cash investments. I mean, obviously there are, but I mean, when it comes to like a little bit of an ego stroke, it feels really good to invest into cash investments. So I'm super excited. But anyways, yeah, so we just went in with the outline with the gold by Rosalind, which again, you guys, ideally if you want to perfect this, and before we did that, we went in over the pink part of the nail bed color, and we went over that with the Aurora Chrome. And on one of the nails, the ring finger, I did 2 layers, and they were generous. And girlfriend, it makes a big difference. Oh, I think we're gonna go in with the Aurora now. Okay, yeah, I was like, I don't think I saw that, but I'm pretty sure I did that. It's because on this one I thought of it at the last minute, and so I did it after the gold, but on the other ones I did it before the gold. But it ended up looking super cute. First off, you want to have a generous amount of this on your brush. The brush that came inside the bottle kind of broke, and then I put it over the green and I was like, oh hell no, no, I want it to be contrasting. So I was like, no, I tried to take it off. It came off a bit, not all the way, but I didn't obsess over it. I just let it go. Tried to clean it off with some alcohol. But you do want to have a generous amount of this on your brush when you go in, because you want to give it a full coverage the first time as well as you can, because it dries quickly, so you can't really keep going over it. I would liken it to like when you have the liquid liner, the liquid eyeliner, right? And you can't keep going over it. You got to kind of do it right the first time. So yeah, that's how that works. And also, if you want it to have, you know, like more of a chrome look, then you would add another layer and it gives it a very vibrant chrome look. But I really like the soft chrome look with this. I almost wish I would have got the pearl one, because I'm like, oh my gosh, can you guys send me all of them? Like, oh my gosh, because they are literally, they're, I mean, I will say, okay, so I finally learned how to do chrome correctly. All this time I was being lazy. Oh my gosh, the video's over. I love you guys. Just kidding, you guys. I have a little bit more footage of the actual end result. So here it is, you guys. I'm gonna show you guys in the light. I'm gonna show you guys in the dark with the flash and everything like that. Drop comments and let me know how you guys like this. Oh, and I should not have gone so fast on this Born Pretty top coat part, but on the next video I will be sure to do a slow motion on the Born Pretty top coat so you guys can see what I be talking about. Anyways, go ahead and smash that like button. Be sure to ring the bell so you can be notified every single time I upload, which you know that means you need to subscribe, which I would definitely appreciate. You guys know I do have a blog site. It's under construction, so you can go visit, but it's not all together right now. We do have active giveaways, you guys, and we will be having more contests. I told you guys that I was going to announce it, but I have not yet. Just pray for me to be in a deep state of meditation and focus, and we will be pushing forward in no time. I love you guys so much. I'll holla y'all. Peace.